Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. I have some new Disney items that are releasing on Thursday, September 7th at 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. This is from the new fall release from the Happy Planner, and I will have my affiliate link down in the description if you want to check it out. Also some discount codes. Make sure to check those out as well because they will help to save on your purchase if you plan on making a purchase doing this new release. All right, so I have two new sticker books and a planner. There are other items. This isn't all the Disney items that are releasing, but it's a little bit that I received from the Happy Planner. So I'm actually gonna go over the planner first because it's super cute. It is a dashboard layout 12-month planner from January 2024 to December 2024. But look how cute that cover is. Oh, sorry, there's a lot of glare. But yeah, look how cute. Always find a reason to smile. And then you got a picture with all the characters. It's just too adorable. And I love the color, like the peach and the orange color. It's really nice. All right, so here is the inside. It says, hello, this Happy Planner belongs to, got some little pictures on the side too. So it's going to be a little bit more decorative and colorful if that's what you're looking for, and also Disney. All right, so here's the year at a glance for 2024 and 2025. Yeah, just a little bit of color. And then the months have color, a nice little rainbow pattern. All right, and then here is the dashboard currently page with your priorities, important, take note, and then you get a little picture here too. All right, so the dividers are gonna be really cute in this planner. Also, there's a little decorative pieces, little images on each of the page. All right, so we got more love. We got some of the characters here. I'm not gonna try to name all of them, but they're from different movies. So we got Encanto, and then I think that's Zootopia, Lilo and Stitch, and then Moana. More hugs, more fun, more laughs. All right, so here is the monthly. You do get some of the pictures up on the top too. And then the dashboard layout, a little bit of color here on the checklist. It's like a rainbow pattern here, notes, and then you get some little Polaroids of the characters on the bottom. I believe these change too, so that's nice. So change it up, yeah. So we got two other ones here. Oh, and there's a little pattern down the side, the center. Those are different too. Oh, and also the notes part changes too, the color. So that one's pink, then it goes to purple. Cute. So little changes, a little bit of color change. And if you don't like that, you can always cover that up pretty easily. Here is the next one. Is that the same? Let me just double check. Yeah, it is the same. It's the same as the other currently page. Okay, that's like the cover. Always find a reason to smile. So I just want to see if it changes up here. Okay, no, it doesn't. So it looks like it's the same for the first week, the second week, the third, the fourth, and the fifth. Oh, it goes back. So it only rotates through 4, and then it goes back to the same. All right, so I'm just gonna flip through the dividers. Be true to you. The best things in life are the people we love, the places we've been, and the memories we've made along the way. That's really cute. Really nice. Follow your own path. Be proud of who you are. Daisy. July is here's to making memories with cherished friends. Discover your story. Love these moments. Oh, that's adorable. I love anything with Mickey. October, life is better with friends. November, stay true and embrace your journey. I love this one. All of them scattered around. So cute. Collect memories, not things. Oh, try to get to the last page. All right, here is the last page, the noted section. And then the inside cover, which is just black with some there's some little Mickey heads around there too. And then the back cover. All right, so that is the dashboard planner. Again, there are other planners from this Disney collection. If you're not, if you want a different layout, definitely check that out. I'm actually gonna flip through this book next because it matches that planner. So I have the big sticker book. I don't know if there's another, there might be a classic, I'm not sure though. I would think there is. All right, so this is the big one of the Making Memories. So here's the first page, got some boxes, and I'm loving these. So cute. Be true to you. So yeah, some decorative and then some functional stickers. Some quotes, always find a reason to smile. Little banner stickers with a picture attached to it. So fun. Making memories. Get a few like that. So yeah, this would be a really cute memory keeping book to use if you memory keep. Has like little journaling, making memories. Stickers, love the little Mickey heads for bullet points. Okay, then we're getting into like the decorative stuff, which are just like these pictures, like the Polaroids, which I'm loving the little pictures. Okay, these are like, well, they say, discover your story, everyday memories, be true to you, love and laughter. Little rounded boxes. Oh, these are cute. Always find a reason to smile, find happiness in the journey. But I like the circle with the quote and the picture. More decorative. These are clear. Cute, cute. I have more of the clear ones with some quotes going around. These are cute. Donald, he's funny. All right, so we have some quotes. Fun day, love the moments, or actually not quotes, just like things you can use for memory keeping. Smile, laugh, fun day, family, friends, love this. And you get it in color version here. They get some little sparkly bits here with some Mickey heads. These are all in foil. Then you get them in color. Nice. Okay, so that is Making Memories. That is the big version of this book. And then the last book, there's actually like a planner, I believe, for this one. There's other items for this, and there is a dog version of this book, but I got the Disney Cats sticker book. So let's see what this one's all about. This one looks really cute too. I love kitty cats, so I'm excited to see these. Like, look how cute that is. You say cat lady like it's a bad thing. I'm a cat person. I just want to hang out with my cat all day. So cute. So we got all the little cats from the different movies. I'm not familiar with all the cat names though. Enjoy the simple things. I heart my Disney cat. So cute. Oh, this is like a little washi sticker. Cute, cute. These are in clear. Some double boxes. Cute. Rounded boxes for notes. Ooh, cool. I like that one. That has all the little kitty cats on it. Then we got a blue and green version, orange, purples and blues. These are little hearts. Yeah, hearts. And they say like, so much fun, life is good, all you need is love and a cat. So different quotes. Time to play. The little like cat toy. Time to buy food. Appointment. Vet appointment. More vet appointments. Oh, how cute is that? Sorry, I can't. I have plans with my cat. All you need is love and a cat. Weekend with my Disney cat. All right, then we get some of the little kitty cats in clear. Cute, cute. All the little cats. Now I need to figure out where all these cats are from. Like I know that one's from Alice in Wonderland. I don't know where that one's from, but he's cute. Not sure where that one is from either. I love this one. That one's super, like that one. That one's super adorable. That one's from Cinderella. Yeah, I think Lucifer. Not sure where this one's from, but he's cute too. This one's sitting in a box, adorable. Then we got more of the little kitty cats here. Cute. And like I said, there is a version of the dog. There's a Disney dog book too. I always find that the kitty cat ones are always cuter. So that is the Disney Cats sticker book. And those are all of the Disney items that I received from the Happy Planner. These are releasing on Thursday, September 9th at 9 a.m. I'm sorry, September 7th at 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Sorry, it's late. I'm trying to get all this filming done. This is my last video to film. So yeah, but I will have all that info down in the description if you want to check it out with all the codes and all the times and all that fun stuff. But thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more, please hit that subscribe button. And I hope to see you in the next one.